This is Rustam, and today I'm going to provide initial feedback on students' assignments. So, this feedback is preliminary feedback which is focused on format of the document. So, I won't give feedback about the text yet. Okay, first of all, I'm going to click on this assignment because I have already provided feedback I think on this. Let's start from this one, Abdullah, fourth semester. Okay, so here the document is opening. So whenever we write some assignment, we need to make sure that our document has been prepared according to certain set parameters. Like usually we have A4. I think I'm going to check it quickly. First of all, see the document paper size. Here is page layout button. Okay, now size is already A4, which is recommended. Then we have orientation, it is portrait, already selected, fine. Margins, the margins are selected at 1 inch from top, bottom, left and right. So these things are selected. Now let's select this text. So we have to select all the text. Okay, and then we are going to find out the font size. So here is the font size 12, which is recommended for the text, and font style is Times New Roman. It is also selected and it is according to the format. Okay, now let's see the distance between sentences or lines. So this distance should be at least 1.5. okay, so it is already selected. So as far as formatting is concerned, this document is okay, excepting that there is no title page. So whenever you submit an assignment, there should be a title page. Let me quickly design the title page. Okay, you can write like this: assignment, then you can write features of connected speech, then colon. Okay, assimilation and elision. So these structural words, they are first letter is never capitalized. Okay, now I'm going to select these two lines together, and here is a button, no space. Okay, so after doing this, we are going to center this text, and after this again select this lower line, and then give it font size about you can say 18 or 16. I think 16 is okay. Now bold face. Now you can see that these two lines, these two sentences should be again set to Times New Roman. Now after this you can write your own name. I'm pressing the enter key from my keyboard. So you can write submitted by, then your name, like Abdullah, BS English 4th semester. Okay, you can even write your roll number as well. Okay, so after this, usually we keep space between them, only the minimum space, like 1. After this we can centralize them in the center. Your name can be a bit larger, like you can click on it. After this you have to insert college monogram here. For this you need to go to insert, then picture, then you should trace wherever you have kept your I have put it on the desktop. Let's say logo or monogram GDC Havelian. Okay, now you need to shrink it. Let me shrink it like this. Okay, so here I think we have distinct effects. So So we can select this one or this one. Okay, let me select some better one. I think this is not fine, so let's see what about this. Okay, you can select any background. Okay, I'm going to, let's see what is the color. I think yes, this is correct, this is fine. So I'm going to first drag it here. Okay, for dragging it to the right or left, you need to click on format and then wrap text, and here's a button type. When you click on type, then you can move it onto either side of the page. Okay, now I'm going to format the picture. Okay, picture layout, then again we are going to click on it, then color, then I think this one is fine now. Okay, I'm going to drag it like this, and I'm going to put it somewhere here. After this, you need to write down the name of the department of English, then government degree college building. Okay, select these two, and let me write the date as well, like April 2020. So select the text and go to the line spacing 1. Now click here so that the document is in the center. Then you can bring it like this to the bottom of the page, and this should be in large font size like this. Okay, and you can also give it a bigger font size like this. Okay, now your title page is ready. So bring it here. Now you can have a look at your document. So in order to have the preview, go to file menu and click on print. Okay, print, then you can select your printer. Let's say write down. Okay, now see, this is your title page in front of us here onto the right side of the screen. Now click on home page so that you can get back. So after designing your title page, you can bring your cursor here and press the backspace button, so that you are now here. So your document is now ready. After this, you can check your spelling mistakes, as you can see here in the segmental phonology. So this is a correct word. Okay, this line under this green underlining means that there is a problem with the space. Okay, now space here again. So okay, I'm going to give you feedback on all these things later on, maybe in the form of written feedback. Like if let's say here is the spelling mistake, so I'm going to I have this review section with me, so I'll give the comments. Okay, let me give you, I will say correct the spelling, correct spelling. So here you will have this document back through email. Okay, so let's go back to the okay, Abdullah, you have got your feedback. As far as the quality of content is concerned, whether you have provided relevant information in this assignment, whether your text, whatever you have provided here in the body of the text, all this, whether it has been picked up from Wikipedia, Google, or any other website, this I'll check once I have provided this basic feedback to every student in the class. Now before I close, before I stop recording this video, you must know that this space is too much. From this to this This is known as indentation. So indentation can be only one tab. Let me bring it back like this. You can see. Okay, let me remove the comment section. Review the comment, then delete comment. Okay, now let me see, do we have another comment? Yes, here is again a comment. So now, okay, so you need to bring your text to the left margin. Now give a tab, press the tab button on your onto your typing keypad. So this much sorry, this much space you can give as an indentation. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this video.